In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're tracking the latest cryptocurrency prices or simply staying informed about market trends, receiving timely notifications can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process to ensure you never miss important updates. First, we'll start by heading over to the CoinMarketCap website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL coinmarketcap.com. Once the page is fully loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small profile icon situated there. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your gateway to accessing various account settings, including notifications. After clicking on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll spot an option labeled Settings. Click on Settings, which will take you one step closer to customizing your notification preferences. It's important to remember that the Settings menu is essential for managing various features related to your account on CoinMarketCap. Once you're in the Settings section, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find the Notifications tab. Click on it, and you'll be brought to the Notification Settings page. This is your control center for everything related to alerts and updates from CoinMarketCap. On the Notification Settings page, you'll be presented with a variety of options. These options allow you to tailor your notification preferences according to your needs. You can choose to receive alerts about price changes, news, or updates from specific cryptocurrencies that you're tracking. Take a moment to review each option and select those that align with your interests. If you're new to this platform, you might want to start with basic notifications and expand your selections as you become more familiar with cryptocurrency trends. Once you've made your selections, be sure to save any changes. This is crucial to ensure that your preferences are updated and that you start receiving the alerts you've chosen. Typically, there's a Save button at the bottom of the page, but this can vary depending on site updates. Make sure to double check for a Save or Update button to confirm your choices. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to enable notifications on CoinMarketCap. Now you'll be better informed about the ever-changing cryptocurrency market. Remember, keeping an eye on your favorite digital assets is now easier than ever with these handy notifications. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights and tips. Stay connected and keep learning.